Hello, everyone. For this video, I'd like to introduce to you the second topic for our class in macroeconomics. And this is on measurement of national income and comparisons of the gross domestic product and the gross national product, or the GDP versus the GNP. This topic would look at particular concepts on on how to measure national income, and it also includes the weaknesses of this particular measure of income. So if you look at this more closely in this booklet, which is already linked to our Google Classroom, you will see that we will look at the different ways of measuring the gross national product or the gross domestic product, particularly looking at expenditure, income, and value added approaches. After each chapter, again, there'll be exercises that you need to answer and submit as soon as you can. And there are also mga definitions in the end that you need to understand and analyze, so that you'll be able to use these concepts in critiquing national policies or policy implications. So here would be the three different ways of measuring national income. And at the end of this lesson, you should be able to differentiate one from the other. Also included in this particular slide, or this particular simple book, are the different limitations of the gross domestic product as a measure of living standards. Kaya, since ang GDP ay based sa napakaraming pag-aaral, ay may kakulangan sa capacity niyang magbigay ng totoong reflection of what's happening in the economy. So I also included other measures that would enhance the understanding of national growth or economic growth and development. So I included here the Human Development Index, or HDI, the Happy Planet Index, and the Genuine Progress Indicator. So these are discussed in here, and your task is also to understand and differentiate each one from the other. Okay, so there are current data included in this presentation, and important personalities that gave their insights on economic growth and development. Since this is macroeconomics, of course, this is our concern. Growth of the economy is a primary concern of macroeconomics, among other variables like unemployment, inflation, or level of prices. So if you look at this simple booklet, you would see that I included here some important terms that you need to make sure that you understand and know by heart, because this is basic macro, as well as a summary of the topics that were discussed. In this particular presentation, ay naglagay ako ng summary of student portfolio. I should have included this in the first module, but I wasn't able to, so dito na lang. And these lines and tick boxes, dito nyo isusulat yung mga activities na nagawa nyo na, so that you can monitor yourself and see kung anong nagiging improvement mo. So this is not just for this module, but for all the modules. So what you can do is print this out, and then you can type it or write it by hand. Does not matter, as long as you complete the work. So for online lectures, ay malaking factor din ang formative tasks and formative assignments that are included in the modules. So please make sure that you do them and submit them on time. Okay, so here you have some exercises that you can check para makita kung naintindihan ninyo o na-apply niyo yung mga concepts. And then you are expected to download some articles for you to react on and give your reflection to. And dito sa mga spaces na ito, dito nyo na isusulat ang inyong sagot. You can do a screenshot and then send it to me in Google Classroom.